These ashes are still hot. Recently, trees were cut down here and burned to make room for new fields. The tropical forest around the village of Sutu in southern Senegal is endangered. The Palmyra palm is an ancient part of the forest. It provides the villagers with fruit, with wood to build furniture, with palm leaves for the roofs of the huts. But again and again, the forest is set alight. Clement Sambu is a farmer from Satu who wants to protect the trees. He says the slash and burn method is actually harmful for agriculture. Although the new fields may be fertile, burning also causes soil erosion, which is bad for the Palmyra palm trees. This is an example of a devastating bushfire. Last year, someone set a fire here and then just left. You can see the bark of this tree burned down to the base. That means the whole tree is now much more vulnerable. At crisis meeting, village elder Jean-Christophe Colli explains how serious the situation is. Slashing and burning does not only destroy forests and control fires, threaten the village itself. I founded a committee that will look into the organization of a patrol. Around 20 villagers from around Sutu are participating in order to get these bushfires under control. But the farmer Clement Sambu doesn't think patrols will help. He discovered a method on the internet which will make depleted soils fertile again. This method is called hugel culture or hill culture. First, a layer of unusable logs and dead branches is laid down. A layer of leaves, grass, and weeds is put on top. Then it all needs watering. In time, it becomes a fertile bed for planting. Clement Sambu tried it on his own fields and was successful. We only water it once a week, so not a lot. And if you put your hands on top of it, it's as if you're deep in the woods. A really nice damp forest soil. And that's just what the plants need to thrive. The Sutus villagers plant mostly vegetables on their fields. Clement Sambu teaches them the forest-friendly method, which also gives them valuable compost. Farmer Cecil Sagna decided to use the compost on her fields. I make compost. It gives me a profit instead of having to buy fertilizer. With this profit, I take care of my house, I take care of my children, my 2 nephews. I can go to the market to buy the hens that I raise to secure my future and save our forest. It's a win-win using compost to revitalize the depleted fields and make them fertile again, protects the Palmyra palm trees in Sutu and the whole tropical forest.